stand would be good. Start again. Cat's tail on there. Cat's tail. See how we go. Start this recording. Enough of an improvement possibly. Cat's tail's on. It's on Old Tallarook Road now. Pump my tyres up too. I was trying to get on top of this tank bags and all that sort of jazz. Really nice. Shane's house. Bit of soft gravel around. Well used road. The ultimate temperatures. Beautiful. Testing, moving the mic. All the testing. 18, 17 degrees out. Back on that same road as last weekend. It's already midday. See how many wallabies we see today. Saw 7 last weekend. Cars out and about today. I've seen 5 cars already today. Definitely more cautious on these corners. I put in an ABS bypass light here when she's off. The light means you can lock your rear. Really good little hack. Don't let me go home yet. Just straight up into beautiful King Lake National Park. I've moved my phone angle. 0, I'm the only one. Ride cautious anyway. Pretty well maintained roads. For an adventure bike, it's beautiful. That for a view. Nice and slippery. Oh, look where we want to go, not where we're going. That's it. Oh, definitely a case of look where you want to go then. Look at that. Exquisite. I'll follow my current map to number 1 camp. Try a few different tracks that way. Then I'm trying to get back out to the main roads and rut it out four-wheel drive tracks. We'll go up and then drop back down to that. I think get up on the pegs. Bit of exploring. Go anywhere if you're skilled enough. 165k so far today. Locking up the rear because you want to. Treacherous mud slick road that I took to get into camp, which won't be like that now because it's beautiful weather. I like to do the chain cleaned and lubed after every ride. Drag Hill Road. Fairly steep, but she's achievable enough. Erosion mounds. Let's get the bottom out. Not a problem with the dry. Third, no wonder. Fuck. That was a rookie error. That could have been a lot easier if I was in second gear. Bloody hell. Give her a bit of beans and sit in it and get up there, boy. Come on. Watch your eyes up. On the pegs, up ahead. Beautiful. I don't want to get out of control. Ooh. This is looking out over Doreen, Whittlesea Way. 227.4 k's today. We'll wrap it up here. We'll do the obligatory hill climb. As long as this will be good. If we do this every video, we'll see one day we might fall over. Back to first gear, up on the pegs, over the front, attacking it and giving it to it. Where do we want to go? Watch where we want to go. That's where we want to go. Give it to it. There we go. Beautiful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see others, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. Catch you next time. Cheers.